Hey everyone, it's Jack with REIMastermind.net with a very late Tip Tuesday, but wanted to get another one out. And this time it's regarding our record-setting inflation and the extreme gas prices we're experiencing now. We have to be adapting to the situation and running our numbers and making some different decisions. And I wanted to share an example because this definitely impacted me and my decision making recently. But what I think is interesting is that I probably should have been changing my decisions anyway. And this has just kind of forced the subject, if you will. I self-manage a property that's about an hour away from me, and to drive there and back and to take care of some tasks that needed to accomplish, it would blow half a day, if not more. And taking into account that what I really should be doing is finding the next opportunity and deal. So I really have been taking away from those core tasks to accomplish something that I could call somebody that is local to take care of those for me. And in the end, what was I saving? I was saving maybe $120. I'm serious. It doesn't sound like a lot, does it? But in comparison to not getting out my next round of mailings or finding the next opportunity or calling back some potential sellers, I was considering driving there and back and taking care of these things myself. And when you say these type of things out loud, it sounds a little silly, doesn't it? But frankly, most of us do this on a regular basis. So I'm challenging you here today. I'm challenging myself to rethink this paradigm. Take this opportunity to revisit your numbers and make some different decisions and let a few things go and trust some people that are local that could handle these few tasks that frankly don't need your direct involvement. So that's my tip here today. Rerun those numbers. See if it's actually worth it, and maybe it's actually taking away from something that really actually does need your attention. If you found any value in what I'm talking about here today, could you do me a favor? Send this on to somebody else that could maybe use this little kick in the pants. I'd really appreciate it. And we'll hopefully see you next time. And remember, show notes at reimastermind.net. Thanks. We'll talk to you soon.